Exciting news for business professionals on the go. The Nimble's Today page feature is now available for Android and iOS, allowing you to stay on top of your business pulse and make smarter decisions with real-time insights accessible wherever you work. Let's take a look. The Today page feature can now be found in the Agendas tab. Under Today, you'll see the following: upcoming and overdue task, email opening clicks, web form responses, stuck deals, and stuck workflow contacts. Crucial for staying organized and on top of reminders, upcoming and overdue tasks will display a list of all of your scheduled and past due tasks, giving you the ability to mark them as complete, update existing tasks, and create new ones. Additionally, you can view your completed, starred, and delegated tasks for comprehensive task management. In email tracking, you'll see a list of open and clicks for your tracked messages. Click on a message to view its full details and reply, or choose to mute notifications for that message. Recent submissions for your web forms will be displayed in the Web Form Responses tab. Click on any web form to view both recent and past submissions. Stuck deals will show a list of your sales opportunities that have remained in a particular stage beyond the expected close date. You can choose to advance the deal, mark it as won or lost, or create a new one. Similar to stuck deals are stuck workflow contacts. Workflows can be used to track all of your business opportunities. When a contact has remained in a workflow for too long, you can choose to advance them or mark them as successful or unsuccessful. This is just the beginning, and more Today page features are on the way. Download Nimble today on Android and iOS and start taking smarter actions for your business wherever you work. For more information, search Today page mobile on support.nimble.com or write us at care@nimble.com. Cheers!